Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing out the Maybelline Lemonade Craze. So if you want to see how this palette works, then just keep watching. Okay, so like I said, we're going to test out the Maybelline Lemonade Craze. I actually did receive this in a package from Influencer. It came with the palette and it also came with a pencil, an eyeliner pencil. So we're going to probably not try this actually, just because I have to film a video after this that I need you to see my eyes. So anyways, so we're going to test this out. Like I said, it's a Lemonade Craze by Maybelline. I'm looking online and it looks like you can get it for $13.99 at Walgreens and $10.98 at Walmart. Ooh, this is really pretty. It looks like it has 8 matte shades and 4 shimmery shades. So let's go ahead and jump into this palette. That's cute. On the back of it, it's got ideas, and they have 3 looks. The lemonade pop, the pink lemonade, and the peach lemonade. Oh, these are different. The card that they gave me have different looks. They have the sweet look, the punchy look, the tart look, and the citrus look. Should we try one of these? Shoot. I kind of want to try one of their looks. Alright, we're just going to go in and do whatever we want. So I'm going to go in with, oh, they're buttery. Okay. I'm going to go in with Sunny's, which is just a plain bone shade. And I'm just going to use that to set my eyelid. I don't have a primer on. I just have concealer down. That's my primer. There is fallout on the palette, but I can't tell if there's fallout yet because of this shade. Alright, then I'm going to go and I'm going to sort of create a gradient first. So I'm just going to take Sherbet, which is just a slightly deeper skin tone. But I just want to create a gradient first. They're very powdery, like... So then I'm going to go, I'm trying to think, I'm going to take Coral Punch, which is just right here. It's just a true like coral shade. And I'm going to take the same brush. There is a lot of fallout in the palette. I want more vibrant. I'm going to pack this on. I need to know, do you guys like longer tutorials or shorter? I've tried to cut them down really short because I feel like people just get bored easily. Like I know I do. So just curious, would you rather have like a, 15 to 20 minute video or keep them down by 10? I'm trying to really build up the shade. It's really pretty, but it's not very pigmented. Yeah, like even on my finger, it's pigmented, but it's not very pigmented. I'm really disappointed that it's not more pigmented. Like, I really want this coral shade on here, like, to be vibrant, and it's not. I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of putting a crap ton on my eyes. So I'm gonna take Ice Pop, which is like a deeper pink shade. It's like a, I don't know how to explain it. It's just dark pink. We're gonna build that up. I wish I had another mirror. I feel like I never play with color, so I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone, but because I don't play with color, I'm not like, I can't think of where to put things. This shade's more pigmented. It's still not as pigmented as it looks in the palette, but it is more pigmented than the other shade was. I'm going to take a flat brush because I decided I want to kind of do this as a halo eye, so I'm going to take a flat brush and pack on that Ice Pop shade. I need a closer mirror. Alright, we're just going to hold my big mirror. Ooh. When you pack this color on, it's actually really pretty. Oh my gosh. This is such a pretty color when it's packed down. Dude, that color is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to go back with a fluffy brush, and I'm actually going to grab Berry Ice, which is just a really blush pink, like a light blush. And I'm just going to use that to kind of diffuse this out. It's kind of getting crazy. Like you can see, actually you can't because my lights, there's just a lot of fallout on the palette. But I actually don't see any fallout on my face, so that's good. So I'm then going to go in with the Lemonade Craze shade, which is the orange in the palette. And we're gonna put this on the center. Oh, that was so anticlimactic. I thought this was gonna be intense. Aww. So it's actually like in this palette, it looks like a darker, not dark, but like a darker yellow. But on the eye, it's actually more of a like subtle yellow, which I'm not mad at it. I think it kind of goes better with the bright coral color. Alright, so I'm just going to put it on real quick and then we'll buff the colors together, or blend them together. I feel like the shade would have been better with a finger, but oh, sorry. Ooh, yes. Okay. Alright, we're wiping them on my legs. So then I'm going to go back in with this, and I'm not going to add any extra product, but I'm just going to use what product's on here to blend the colors together. Dude, this is a spotlight if I ever saw one, jeez. This one's more intense. Okay. So we're going to leave it at that. This is really weird for me, like I'm not used to the color. So I think for the bottom, I'm just going to keep it plain, and I'm going to use Sweet Tea, which is their bronzy shade, because I don't want to go crazy on the bottom since the top is crazy. And we're just going to buff that out. So I'm going to take Main Squeeze, which is like their light gold shimmer shade, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. I'm kind of shocked it's actually turning peach, and I think it's because of the eyeshadows, because in the pan this is really gold. Like it's a light gold, but it's gold. Alright, I'm going to add just a little bit of the red right in the line. Just at the corner though, because I feel like I just need to tie it together more, and it's bugging me that it's not. We're going to leave it at that. I'm going to tightline my upper lid with Old Fashioned, which is just their deep brown. Just because I feel like I need like that line. Okay, so that is all I'm going to do for this. I'm going to go ahead to my eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara, and then I will be right back to tell you my thoughts. Okay, so now that my mascara is on, which I did test out the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, so I don't know what order these videos are going in, but if this one, I have a feeling the Kush is going to go first, so I will link it up here. But anyways, I really actually like this, and I don't like it. So as far as the blendability, you do have to work harder than if you were to get a more expensive palette that had better quality, but it still works. I think for the price, it is definitely worth it. You get, how many is this in total? I didn't even add that. Why is my color off? One day I will figure out this lighting situation, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 12 shades in this palette, so I definitely think the price is worth it. And it's a unique color palette. Obviously you can find these shades in other things, but lately a lot of people are coming out with more neutrals, I feel, so this is, I think it's a good palette, and I definitely think you should get it. Like I said, just keep in mind you are going to have to work on the blendability. As far as this, obviously I didn't try it, so let's go ahead and open it and just pop it on. my hand because I don't want to put it in my eyes. So before I ripped it, I should have looked at this. So this is the Lasting Drama Matte Pencil, and it's just in the shade Jet Black. So it is retractable, which I personally actually like those. Holy crap, that is black. Okay, look at this though. It glides on like nothing. I'm gonna regret that later. Alright, I will put in the description box down below how long or how hard this is to get off my hand once it dries, but that's all I have for this video, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.